Welcome to class 9 history. So today we'll do a new chapter, the Russian Revolution. Azagarong tumi manaiku revolution by now mane buchobol. What is revolution? Revolution are hoy the great dramatic change, but great change manaiku society oizayoy by country je changes oizayoy. Ese nirahi hoy de revolution mane transformona. Ekkanot to nare ekkanot mane transform hoi jana, that is called revolution. So a chapter would mostly ami goribongahi Russian ba Russia country se bebare goribong. So firstly ami goribonga with first introduction, then secondly socialism in Europe, then thirdly 1917 revolution, that is long-term causes. So let's do it one by one. Russian Revolution took place in 1917. So try to remember the Russian Revolution took place in the year 1917. So Russian Revolution, a great change in Russia Hungary. So number one, peasants sunotte, the secondly working class sun, the thirdly Nicholas Raza gwalade. So kene before mane revolution 1917, so kene jar elode Raza borahiyone jar TSAR jar Nicholas, so keko Raza elode. So let's see. When the peasants and working class people of Russia revolted against the government of Tsar Nicholas II, they were led by Vladimir Lenin and a group of revolutionaries called the Bolsheviks. The new communist government created the country of the Soviet Union. So, we already know. So here, because of this, because of the peasants and the working class, they revolted against the Tsar Nicholas. So they wanted democracy or complete independence. So the main leader of this revolution is Vladimir Lenin, and along with him we have many revolutionary groups called Bolsheviks. These are revolutionary groups. Jigun mane Nicholas Vladimir Lenin loge mane tarayo is a revolution no mane revolution not mane participate gochun fight gochun against mane government of the Tsar. The new communist government created the country of the Soviet Union. Je mane ko communist party bo ba communist people ne ko government form gochun ne te se government re tarahi donne Soviet Union je government mane tara form gochun. So basically a chapter both ami mostly goribonge mane hite Russia mane revolution great change eche hite che hangore eche the hielo sokene. So who were the role played in this revolution mane signi bekani ami mane in detail mane sigibong. So firstly amare jette hi second point to socialism in Europe. Socialism in Europe were against private property. Property owners give employment but concerned only with personal gains, not for the welfare of others. Some socializations believe in the idea of cooperatives, and others demanded that the government must support cooperatives. So first point to ami dekiti Europe ami dekidi only mane private property common property ne backun mane jarjenta sen taranange private property. So esottuno mane a revolution an mane oiji property owners do mane te manuchunore employee gore ba ham de, but tar main motive bana ta personality mana tar labodo te nobabete ide others mane jigun the working class people no mane tara benefit pedak into sen hite nobabete. So some socialization মানে বিলিভ করেন যে সোসাইটিতে মানে যে ফাইট করেন সোসাইটি এগেন্সে যে মানে ফাইট করে সিগুনের ইয়ে যে সেইগুনে ই বিচ্ছে জানে মানে in the idea of cooperatives and other demanded that the government must support cooperatives. Cooperatives মানে ব্যাকুনে সংমিলিনে মানে হাম গড়ানা তো সেন যদি হলে হতে ইভেন মানে আদার কোঅপারেটিভস যদি মানে ডিমান্ড করতাক মানে গভর্নমেন্ট সাপোর্ট করতো আরও অন্য কোঅপারেটিভস মানে যেগুলো কোঅপারেট করতাক অন্য ক্লাস শুনেও সকেনে মানে কি হয় দি ইভেন মানে ইভেন মানে আদার সোশিয়াল মানে গ্রুপস বা আদার ওয়ার্কিং ক্লাস যেগুলো মানে হাম গরন সেগুলোরও মানে বেনিফিট অদ সো number 2C Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels added other ideas the Karl Marx tara Friedrich tara even tarayu mane argue gochune mane against mane industrial society বা এই যে মানে প্রাইভেট প্রপার্টি হোল্ডার শুনরে বা প্রাইভেট প্রপার্টি ওনার শুনরে তারাই হচ্ছে হু মানে ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল সোসাইটি ওয়াজ ক্যাপিটালিস্ট বা না মানে যে মালিক করতে মানে তা প্রফিট হতে মানে তা পার্সোনাল গেন হতে মানে তে ভাবে দে নট মানে হি নেভার থিংস অফ অন হি নেভার থিংস ফর দ্য বেনিফিটস অফ দ্য ওয়েলফেয়ার ফর দ্য আদার পিপুল সো Karl Marx and Friedrich even তারা মানে তারা দে আর এগেনস্ট দিস capitalist or industrial society who aim capitalist investment in factories and profits was produced by workers tara mane degon dehi capital investment factory oy mator profit honda produce kore de workers sune already mane tumi horbo if mane factory workers jodi nokele ham nogrile goi company boro loss ta even mane the workers unodo losser so that's in that situation mane Karl Marx aro Friedrich tara sandehi even mane bana nijo property nanu no holine backune mane common property banana backunor atte do even mane jidokko mane profit hoy si new backunor mane same equally benefit do he believed that socialist society would free the workers from capitalism it would be a communist society the Karl Marx the bichajari hi if mane industrial society bojudi capitalism tun socialist society jodi oidi hoy soke hi hoy thousands of workers jidukko mane hamgori factory hamgoron siguno hi de free over malikotun the siveko mane nogori ko society form hoy pare called communist society. The next 1917 revolution long-term causes. The 1917 joke French Revolution oye sokene he events were he first thought mane oise goi what were the incidents that took place during the 1917 Russian Revolution. So number 1 we'll see here Tsar's autocracy. Number 2, issue of small nationalities within Russia. Number 3, crisis in agriculture. Number 4, low level of industrialization. Then number 5, we have Russo-Japanese War, that is 1904 to 05. So we'll do it one by one. Let's see Tsar's autocracy. There আমি autocracy already মানে previous chapter bodu আমি already শিখে autocracy means absolute power বা only the power handling by only one particular powerful person or the ruler. So Tsar's autocracy even মানে before 1914 joke so 1917 joke French Revolution no hoy sokene Russia mane what type of government elo de autocracy government ba government ruled by the king monarchy. So what this Tsar used to do complete controls over power and authority in the state and Russian Orthodox Church. So the Tsar used to authorize his power in overall Russia and even to the Orthodox Church. Tar mane jar Razaboi. Jar mane Russiat mane Razabore hi honde jar honde absolute ruler. Te mane whatever mane power back kani mane Razaboi control kore de all over Russia and even Selogahide Orthodox Church anu mane ta andare ba terul kore de. Autocratic regime. So autocratic regime obviously আমি already horve monarchy বা autocratic government system ole hi hoy no people participation in any decision making hichu mane decision lode ba hichu kan program by hichu kan steps lode mane se decision ani ono mane common people le mane participate gorino handoi milino handoi so everything or every decision that is made by the jar. Three oppressive arms: Russian Orthodox Church, army and bureaucracy. The Russian Razabutun tinen mane oppressive arms ba power aro extra mane power elode tare honna support kore de Russian Orthodox Church and army gun aro hide bureaucracy e tinno branch mane ta andare through mane these three powers mane tekoda Russia gan mane handle kore de. Then secondly Russia mane hengori how mane te sigon mane nation selo small mane kingdoms ba region selo seni hengori mane te capture gochi. Let's see. Number 1, strengthening Russian nationality. Russian Russification, resentment against discriminatory. So Russia mane small nationalities JLO seni mane te through mane Russification through discriminatory then nationality se tinen aspect odi mane te ye gochide hi hoide goda small mane je dokani region selo seni mane hari loiba capture gochide. So small strengthening Russian nationality mane Russian language ba nationality in the borderlands of the empire. Whatever mane Russia borderot hayuri jedokani mane sigon jaga elo senit mane tarahi only mane Russian language use kuriban. The secondly aro hi azate hi nangdi banne ami bile where bile Russian people mane country gano na sure mane kan identity mane produce kuriban de where Russian. So next Russification, the civil policy mane this policy actually resented by the non-Russian speaking people. A policy Russification jigune mane Russian language mane use nogoron Russia se people nore mane actually target mane se manuchunore mane loyalty ba mane gom degana oh we will Russian very good to these people mane tarare gom degene mane sigunore Russiat ba sejagan mane Russiat mane capture gorine ba borewate se manuchunore mane manipulate korana. That is called Russification. That is a policy mane those non-Russian speaking people nore mane manipulate gorine hichu kan mane hichu manipulate guri mane tara jagagan harilona. Then next resentment against discriminatory. The resentment against discriminatory jesoke Russia mane Jews aro members of Christian sects mane manuj mane society elag sigunore mane widespread mane injustice hardships mane law pass gorazide. Resentment against discriminatory laws. Jews te aro hi Christian sex mane sokene widespread elake sigun oreo mane through mane discriminatory law mane sigun oreo taraindi mane injustice ba illegally mane tarare Russian nationality Russian identity mane dewede. So next comes to crisis in agriculture. The crisis in agriculture, the Russia, why mane shortage of food is a crisis in everything because out there they use outdated techniques, outdated farming methods. Mane je tara mane system ani ba je method tani tra practice korong farming mane not suitable, doesn't produce more, doesn't give any means more productions. So that is one point. Then Russia practice of stardom system. The stardom system mane serf elake mane maliko andare ham goron de sigun je tara tun jaga nota hai thebatiu ba hebatiu jaga nota hai the sigun or hi goron mostly sigun ole the peasants group peasants sun the peasants sun or so ke hi goron je jarbu amulot Nicholas tu amulogot hi goron mane tarare just like mane animals sun ore bezaine goron no tik sanni urine mane tarare yo hi gochunde mane ikko maligo andare te hamguribo the same malikko bili je tare mane monon hole ba tahamani do no hole te aro next ikko mane maligo tunte bezibo tik sanni urine mane stardom system elo. So this stardom system mo Alexander II mane te abolish kochide stardom system in which year 1861 through an emancipation decree. So through mane emancipation decree ko rules introduced kochide Alexander II mane stardom system mo mane abolish kochide. Then next the serf were under the control of Mir and had to pay 20% value of the land. So this next is a amar hi Mir that is mane village azole Mir means village ba Adam. The serf unore mane after mane joke Alexander serfdom system mo abolish guri de the sit tundurine mane a serfun ba peasant sun je mane land owner one tare hamuri pan sigun now mane tara only 20% value of the product or value of the land whatever mane je tuma tara jaga tara bui goron sottun mana tarai ku hodok percent mane tax defund 20%. So next comes low level of industrialization. Low level of industrialization. So chokene mane industrialization abong. So industrialization already you know it's already first started in England. First industrialization started in England. So first industrialization ami horvedi England oda koi mane start hoide industries mane akoi England od echide. The Russia tole homolechide started in the late 1880s. So industrialization started in Russia in the late 1880s. So joke industrialization Russia it was too late 1880s. So it was like why the industries factories are very at the very low grade because one thing is concentration of workers. 50 workers employed out of total 53% of all workers. Jidukku mane 500 workers sotun jiduk 500 hamguri etun bile alaze total hamgoron di factory tudukko 53. So that is one reason hit the industrialization by industry production very low. So number one, that is number one. Then number two, road system. Road system money just like primitive type, very old. Not so developed. Developed noise just like Adamojani system of roadway style. Take sign primitive type. That is second weak disadvantage. Then number three, economic and industrial development touch only a very small part of the country. So economy ho ba ichi industry sector development ho only mane not in whole Russia, only some parts of Russia mane industry ichi by economic development start hui. That's why mane that is one reason mane why industrialization very low in the Russian revolution before 1917. Then next one, developments of both industry and agriculture depends on the capitals and commodity demand from the West. There was a strong influence of export market on the development of agriculture in the 19th century. There was a strong influence of export market. So export market very during 19th century mane sadok mane developed no oil Russia. So because of those all reasons, first one mane number of workers in the factories very less. Second point is that the road systems were very primitive type. The number third reason is that economic development, industrial development only touches a small part, but only some parts of Russia. So that's all. Thank you, and we'll continue in the next. Lectures.